August 31st, monsoon rain. If anybody thinks that they want to go swimming when the clouds are dark to the east, please let me show you what you're going to experience. If you think it's nice above you, beware of what is in the east. I've told people time and time again about this. Be very aware of what is going on around you, not over top of you. This is only half the floods that I have seen down here before. In 2004, Labor Day weekend, there was over 75 people down here swimming. A small rainstorm came over and flushed the people out. 2 hours later, you could not see this rock right here. It was wall to wall. You could not see Lloyd's Log at all. This is only half of the volume that I have seen here before. So please, beware when it is monsoon season at Ellison Creek Falls. Otherwise, it might ruin your day. But I am very glad that this does take place, because as many people come down here and abuse this beautiful spot by leaving their trash, by pooping or peeing in the water, totally ruins it. And it takes Mother Nature to be able to do this, to cleanse it out and make it nice again. When you come down to this beautiful swimming hole, please pack it in, pack it out. Keep Mother Nature beautiful, otherwise it will reclaim itself.